What's up YouTube, it's your boy Pedro here once more. So with another cheap way out. Roll intro. So when I say cheap way out, I mean for storage. So right now I have this Brent. I don't know if that's how this company pronounce them name, but yeah. It is just for $9 and it is a storage device enclosure. Enclosure meaning you can put a SSD in it. Right now I have a 500 gig Samsung solid state SSD, and this enclosure is used with a USB to USB connection, and I think there is a USB to 3.0 cable for it, clear enclosure. And I must say this is very cheap. Well, the enclosure is very cheap, $9, and also the transfer speed is very fast. This is what I edit from most of the times when I'm shooting on my Blackmagic or from the Sony when I record to the Ninja V. And yo, it's cheap, $9, and you can get an SSD for like $50 or $30 based on the storage size. And this got the costs of enough like 2 terabyte or 3 terabyte storage devices. And for me, I think that the build quality is pretty sturdy. Yeah, it's pretty sturdy. You get an indication like that, yo, you're transferring data, or yo, it's connected, and yo, you can just put it in your bag and just walk up and down with it just like nothing. So I believe that this is very cheap, very effective, and I would say get one. Get one. Get one. So that's it.